Good morning from Grand Family Farm. It's August 22nd, 2025. It's about 9:25 in the morning. And it's about 73 degrees. So far, it's pretty out here. Nice blue sky, sun shining. It's warm. This is Friday. So yeah, a few things to do for the weekend. Could take a trip, see my cousins I haven't seen since like 1972 or so. So I feed tomorrow morning, we'll be hitting the road. So it's about a 4-hour drive or so from here. So I'm gonna go visit them and spend the night and then return Sunday. So I got the kids to take over the chores while I'm gone. So there's some things they gotta make sure are set up so it makes their life a little easier. Well, anyway, I'm very gonna move on it. I'll catch you later.